Welcome back to Real Estate Without Agents, the playbook for homeowners of the information age. I'm Rock, Florida. If you've been following this series, you've probably noticed a pattern. Everything we've been doing is about one thing: helping buyers answer their questions before they even have to ask them. We've assembled disclosures, organized inspections, tracked utilities, documented warranties, captured neighborhood information, and built what I believe is one of the most comprehensive due diligence systems available to an owner represented homeowner. Today, we're going to continue the journey by defining and measuring the property itself, because buyers don't just want to know what you're selling, they want to know if their life fits inside of it. One thing I've learned over the years is that buyers don't love words like about, approximately, I think it should be. These words create uncertainty. Now, there are certainly times when approximations are appropriate, but whenever possible, replace assumptions with measurements. If I ask you how big your primary bedroom is, would you know? Most people wouldn't. I do. Mine is approximately 14 and a half by 16 feet. I know another bedroom is 14 by 12, another is 12 by 12, and another is 12 by 11. Not because I have any kind of photographic memory, because I measured them. Once you know them forever. One of my favorite things to watch during showings is what buyers actually do. They stop in the living room and they just stand there. They're not admiring the paint color, they're mentally moving in. They're wondering, will our sectional fit? Will the piano fit? Where would the Christmas tree go? Will our dining table fit without blocking the walkway? These are real questions, and sometimes those answers determine whether a buyer schedules a second showing or moves on to the next property. So here's your assignment: define everything, measure everything, every room, every closet, every garage, every patio, every workshop, every storage building, every improvement. If you're marketing a storage shed, tell me, what kind? Is it a 6 by 8 Rubbermaid storage building? Or is it a 12 by 16 insulated workshop with electricity? Those are two very different things. The same goes for garages. 3-car garage, wonderful. Can it actually fit 3 vehicles? Can it fit a full-size pickup? Can it accommodate a bass boat? Can someone still walk around inside once it's parked? Specificity creates confidence. The details matter. The more precisely you define your property, easier it becomes for buyers to compare it accurately. Instead of saying large primary bedroom, say 14 and a half by 16. Instead of saying nice covered patio, say 16 by 20 covered outdoor living area. Instead of oversized garage, tell them it's 26 feet deep. Specific information removes imagination. And in this case, that's a very good thing. Now let's talk about one of the most underutilized marketing tools available today, the floor plan. I absolutely love floor plans because photographs show beauty, floor plans show understanding. Pictures answer, what does it look like? Floor plans answer, how does it work? Is it an open concept? A split bedroom layout? How far is the laundry room from the primary suite? Can groceries come straight in from the garage to the pantry? Does the guest bedroom have privacy? Those are questions buyers ask themselves while flipping through photos. A simple floor plan answers almost all of them instantly. Here's the good news: creating a floor plan today has never been easier. There are dozens of affordable or even free apps available. One I've had a lot of fun with is called Magic Plan. In fact, I gave it to my 14-year-old son. He walked around through our house, measured every room, every doorway, every window, every fireplace, and created an incredibly detailed floor plan at 14 years old. If he can do it, most of us can do it. Technology has made this incredibly accessible. Take advantage of it. I do remember working with buyers who were narrowing their search to just a couple homes. One of them had beautiful photography, the other had beautiful photography and a floor plan. Guess which one they understood better before we ever scheduled a showing? They already knew where the bedrooms were. They understood how the kitchen flowed into the living room. They knew the kids' bedrooms were on opposite sides of the house from the primary suite. They knew where the office would go. By the time they walked through the front door, they weren't trying to figure out the house. They were confirming what they already knew. That confidence shortened the decision-making process dramatically. A simple floor plan had answered dozens of questions before anyone ever unlocked the front door. One lesson I've learned from my years working in land surveying is this: you can't accurately describe something you haven't measured. Documentation always comes before communication. Measure first, describe second, market third. That's exactly what we've been doing throughout this due diligence series: building facts, building confidence, building trust. This week's assignment is simple: walk your property with a tape measure or download an app like Magic Plan. Measure every bedroom, every bathroom, living room, kitchen, dining room, garage, patios, decks, storage buildings, workshops, anything that adds value. Then create a floor plan. Save this in your due diligence folder because you're going to use it again. Every measurement you record, every detail you define, every question you answer reduces uncertainty. And reducing uncertainty is one of the most valuable things you can do for a prospective buyer, because buyers don't just purchase houses, they purchase confidence. We've spent the last 13 episodes building a foundation. You've documented your property, inspected it, measured it, protected it, defined it, organized it. In many ways, you've become the world's leading expert on your own home. Now, it's time to tell its story. Beginning in the next episode, And continuing through the next several, we're going to shift from documentation to communication. We'll begin crafting the narrative, the story, the personality of your home. We'll talk about writing compelling descriptions, creating searchable content, using photography and video intentionally, and understanding the psychographics of your highest and best buyer. Because great marketing isn't about clever slogans and exaggerated claims. It's about helping the right buyer discover the right home through authentic information, intentional storytelling, and a narrative that allows them to imagine their future there. I'm Rock, Florida. This is Real Estate Without Agents. Blessings on you and your house, and make it a great day.